Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable, an amazing content management tool to efficiently manage your YouTube channel. First and foremost, you'll need to create a new base in Airtable. This serves as the foundation of your YouTube management system. To do this, you'll head over to airtable.com, sign in, click on Add a Base, and select Start from Scratch. This step is crucial as it helps you organize all your YouTube-related tasks in one place. Now that we've done that, the next step involves creating different tables for different aspects of your YouTube management. These could include tables for video ideas, scripts, SEO, collaborations, and even analytics. The reason we do this is to ensure that each aspect of your YouTube channel has its dedicated space, promoting better organization and efficiency. Next up, we populate these tables with relevant fields. For instance, your scripts table could have fields like title, status, script, recording date, and publish date. This helps us because it makes it easier to track the progression of each script from conception to publication. Now, let's talk about a fantastic feature of Airtable, the calendar view. For your scripts table, toggle to the calendar view to see all your scripts organized by their recording or publishing dates. This feature is key as it allows you to visually plan and schedule your content, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Finally, let's use the collaborations table to manage all your collaborations. You can add fields like collaborator name, contact info, video topic, recording date, and publishing date. This is important as it helps keep track of all your collaborations, ensuring you don't miss any opportunities. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your YouTube channel using Airtable. This tool not only helps you stay organized, but it also ensures you stay on top of your publishing schedule and never miss out on collaboration opportunities. Remember, with the right tools and a bit of organization, managing your YouTube channel becomes a breeze. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.